Before the scientific revolution, they believed that everything important, knowable, was already known, enshrined in ancient writings, institutions, and in some genuinely useful rules of thumb, which were, however, entrenched as dogmas along with many falsehoods. So they believed that knowledge came from authorities that actually knew very little. And therefore, progress depended on learning how to reject the authority of learned men, priests, traditions, and rulers, which is why the scientific revolution had to have a wider context, the Enlightenment, a revolution in how people sought knowledge, trying not to rely on authority. Take no one's word for it. But that can't be what made the difference. Authorities had been rejected before many times, and that rarely, if ever, caused anything like the scientific revolution. At the time, what they thought distinguished science was a radical idea about things unseen, known as empiricism. All knowledge derives from the senses. Well, we've seen that that can't be true. It did help by promoting observation and experiment, but from the outset it was obvious that there was something horribly wrong with it. Knowledge comes from the senses. In what language? Certainly not the language of mathematics, which Galileo rightly said, the book of nature is written. Look at the world. You don't see equations carved on mountainsides. If you did, it would be because people had carved them.